Hey RVers and future RVers, looking for a travel trailer about 5,000 pounds? Maybe you're looking for a small travel trailer with bunk beds and a slide out? This one behind me's got all those answers, yes. Today we're gonna cover the 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 21BH. It's a big camper and a small footprint. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's go take a look. All right, some of the exterior features are phenomenal on this unit. Again, it's a 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2100BH. We have a lot of stuff at our fingertips. Up front, we have a power tongue jack that makes loading and unloading, or I should say hooking and unhooking real quick with push of the button. And it doesn't stop there. When you get to your campsite, we have electric stabilizer jacks. Just push the button and you'll be able to get them down, make that camper secure from rocking around. Uh-oh. Important phone call. Let's put it on hold. Anywho, storage is always phenomenal in these little campers. They have a great latch system along with a magnetic catch to be able to get all those big storage items in there hands-free. And guys and gals, you know me if you see my videos, I love patio time. Again, push button power awning that comes out. Nice big LED strip to give us some great light at night. And of course, we have our electric hookup, our cable hookup if we want to run some entertainment via TV, as well as our JBL sound speakers up there to give us some great sound on the patio side. We have a spray port here that you can hook up with a quick connect in case you want to spray down any dirty items. Maybe you're out blazing the trail with your mountain bike or just clean up some dishes after a big meal. And again, the stabilizer jack buttons back here for the rear, again, easily labeled, easily accessible. And on the back side, remember we have that spray port. We also have an exterior shower. This is important because we're gonna get our hot water back here. So if you need to soap up and use some hot water to sanitize, this is the way to go. On the back, we are pre-wired for a backup camera. It is a small camper, so maybe you already have some confidence, but just in case, you can get a camera installed. That way you have that full visibility just in case. I love campers that have the ladder already installed. Not only is it a little more robust, but be able to get up there, check your solar panel, check your vents, things like that, just for your routine maintenance. It's just an easy breezy ladder that's already here. I don't have to drag one out. A lot of our hookups are utility side here are easy to get to. We have our cable, we're electric, our water, as well as our sewer dump valves, all right here on the back corner. What does that mean to me? I don't have to worry about searching or more importantly, stretching out a lot of extra hoses just to be able to hook up. And lastly, on this exterior of this feature of this camper, I love the bunk bed storage door. We've got tons more storage that we can leverage this area. And if you have something tall or big, that bottom bunk goes up and stows away. Now I've got a great tall space to be able to maximize anything that I'm bringing with you. Hope you enjoyed the exterior features. Again, 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2100BH. All right, so the 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2100BH, it may be a small footprint, but it's got big livability aspect to it inside. It's got great features on the outside, but inside just got great eyes, great ambiance about it. Let's go through this floor plan real quick. Up front, we have our queen bed that's turned sideways. So it's a great size bed for mom and dad to be able to be here. I'm 6'1", got plenty of space, got a nice integration of power here that we can charge up our mobile devices. Cute little net there that way you can tuck away your mobile device up out of the way. Big windows on both sides, get great cross breeze, get great light. And of course we have our knockout shades for privacy at night. Storage is storage is very ample in this camper. Every little nook and cranny, Winnebago's making sure that we've got space to store all our items. You can see overhead, we've got a lot of storage doors that open up. You can throw some book bags and all kinds of goodies there. Up underneath your bed, you have great large access to that front compartment area. Stow some luggage and things there if you choose. We have a slide out, which is really a big, deep slide out. So this whole booth slides out, which gives us a lot of floor space. But it's a great 4-person dinette here. So if you're gonna sleep 4, man, I need to make sure my camper can sit 4, especially if we're gonna have morning breakfast. But again, another big window to just to be able to leverage light or some airflow. If you do have some extra camping buddies that are gonna come with you, we also can convert this down into a bed quickly. And again, Winnebago's innovation makes everything so superior in this little camper. I probably suggest removing the bottom cushions just out of the way, because you're gonna see the table's gonna sit down here on the ledge and the cushions just overlap that enough to make it a little challenging. Release the latch up underneath, and it's on a hydraulic strut here that just gives you easy assistance. And then simply take all those cushions and fill back in this void area. Now again, I'm 6'1". Guess what? I'm probably not going to be sleeping here. Or have to really prop my head up. But if you got 2 extra kids or some friends that want to come along with your kids, this is a great backup sleeping spot. And just as quickly as we set it down into a bed, we can set it back up into a dinette. Once you got it up, just make sure you get that latch secured. And voila, we have a dinette table just like that. Again, storage is utilized underneath the booth seats with the nice integrated cabinet door. Or you can remove the cushion and get through that storage area from the top side. Across from this area is a great, awesome kitchen setup. For this size camper, I'm really impressed with what Winnebago's done here. We've got a lot of counter space. Now, of course, this is extended through some of the covers here. We've got the 2 sink covers as well as the propane stove cover here. But they've got a big, wide stainless steel sink along with a pull-out faucet that you can really make sure everything's cold today. Make sure that you can get all your big pots and pans in. And speaking of pots and pans, you can see all the storage. The Winnebago's integrated really nice big drawers here that we can stow some of those big ticket items. And as I mentioned, when you're cooking, you'll have your 2-burner stove top here that you can use, as well as, of course, your microwave convection oven. Nice thing with this is a microwave just to do some reheats and zapping, but also the convection doubles up almost like an oven. Swirls hot heat around and really cooks up those meals like, say, half-time in a regular oven. We've got storage above us. And again, nice little tip-out tray and more storage below us with a bunch of drawers here. And last but not least, in the kitchen area, we have a nice TV that pivots around so you can make sure that viewing angle is ideal for whatever direction you need, as well as a nice little integrated charging port there for a wireless charging port for your mobile device. And the kitchen finishes up with a big refrigerator freezer. It's 12 volt, so we're gonna get really quick cooling time as well as a lot more extra space over our standard propane RV refrigerator. And again, bunk beds, nice mattress, very comfy. We've got a window at the top. Each one has a light as well as some charging ports for the kiddos to make sure that they're charging their devices up. And lastly, again, nothing small about the bathroom like the kitchen and everything else. We've got a towel rack, we've got toilet, we've got plenty of leg room, as well as showers, plenty of elbow room. Again, I'm 6'1", as you can see, my head is up in the bubble, but I can still make sure that I get a nice warm shower. And you're probably thinking to yourself already, looking through the bathroom with us, where's the sink? Nice little sink that they've integrated into the shower. That way you keep that splash zone down to a minimum, and more importantly, in the shower. And we're gonna close all this off with a real easy sliding shower curtain here that we can easily clean off when we need it. So again, the interior features and the floor plan of this 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2100BH. All right, so this little camper is coming in just a hair under 22 feet in full length. So you're gonna be able to travel with this anywhere that you wanna go. Weight-wise, again, you don't need a big truck. It was about 40, couple hundred pounds the way it sits. You get 1,300 pounds of gear that you can put into this sucker. And water capacities are, I think, 30 couple gallons of fresh water, 25 gray, 25 black. So very easily can go boondocking over the weekend. You've got your solar panel to replenish some of your batteries, so that way you can sustain that long weekend way out in the boonies. I hope you liked it. Again, for 2025, this is the Winnebago Micro Minnie 2100BH. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Comment below. Love to hear your first impressions or any questions that you have about this camper that I'd be glad to answer. And everybody, show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.